Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. By default, Windows 10 app mode set as a light. You can change Windows 10 dark mode or dark theme using these two tricks. Let's see one by one. First of all, right click on your desktop, tap personalize. In Windows 10 personalization settings, you can see background color, lock screen theme. Tap on themes. You can see custom theme. Here you can see background color, sound, mouse cursor. Tap on color. Scroll down up to end of the page and you can see by default set default app mode as light. Choose dark. Now you can see change in your Windows screen. You can see changes on your Windows 10 screen desktop background. Let's see other method. Tap on a start button. Tap settings. Personalization, theme, color. At the end of it, choose light. Now it's quite easy to switch between light and dark theme on your Windows 10. I hope this tutorial helpful to change Windows 10 dark mode. Please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe.